Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Wanjiku. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing. Thank you so much for the love and support. And to the new subscribers, welcome to the family. So today being on a Sunday, I woke up at exactly 6 a.m. I decided before I slept that I was going to do the cleaning today on a Sunday. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to make that happen because I wanted to rest on a Monday. So I was like, let me just do it today before I go to work. So I was supposed to be at work by 10 a.m. but I was like, I can still manage my time and make sure that the house is clean before I leave. So that's what I started by doing. I changed all the beddings into clean ones. So my bed is not that hard these days. At least I've been able to manage myself on how I'll be making it. So sinanga stress like before, the way I was like, tatanika the duvet and everything. So these days I'm just okay with it. So if you haven't subscribed, once again, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Outside it was so cold and drizzling. I was tempted to go back to bed, but I was like, I can't call myself a failure the whole day, because at the end of the day, if I set my mind onto something and I don't do it, I'll end up blaming myself and the choices that I make. So I decided to clean my kitchen area. It wasn't that good looking, but not that bad. So nilianza na kitchen area, then went to my sitting room and my TV stand and everything. It will just be, the video will just explain itself, so enjoy.